guys, Trader CJ from Cross Capital. Well, let's do a new video, best prop firms for 2025. So last year I made a video about this. I had Apex on the list, TOPSTEP, and TAKEPROFITTRADER on the list. So this year I've added TRADEIFY with two different type of accounts. One of a straight to funded account. So I still believe these companies are very solid, especially the TOPSTEP is the OG, and then Apex, they have a lot of clients or traders that trade through them, and then TakeProfit's been solid the last couple of years or so, and TRADEIFY is one of the new upcoming ones that I think that are very solid. They do have new features like the straight to funded accounts. So yeah, let's jump right into it. Let's do the prices that we compare. I'm gonna add later on the video, I'm gonna add the discounts on these prices on top, the monthly prices, and we can run through everything. So there's also links in the description below. So especially with Apex, there are a lot of rules with them. Fine detail, fine prints you need to read in terms of consistency and those type of things, so you need to check up on it. DCA as well, so it gets complex, but if your strategy fits into this company, I think they are definitely very solid as well. So they are in the news lately with some rumors and stuff going on there, and yeah, so but still very big company. So, and TOPSTEP still out there, not much in terms of promos running, so you need to watch their TOPSTEP TV on YouTube for the latest deals and stuff with them. Then TakeProfitTrader is very solid. They have this wallet on their website, in your portal. You can log into a wallet, you take withdrawals from your account to your wallet, and then make daily withdrawals. So it's very easy to use company, straight to simplified company rules and stuff, so not very complicated. TRADEIFY's got this nice trading journals and dashboard and things happening with them, so it's actually nice as well. So okay, let's try to quickly run through it, and I'm gonna show you guys the stuff down here as well. So let's first look at this. Is the everything above the line here is the evaluation phase or the test phase. You need to pay your fee, do your test, and see if you pass your test, you hit your target, which is this one here. The target, it's, for example, these are the 150k account sizes, so the number of contracts you can trade, and the target you need to hit. The trailing loss with Apex, none of them have trailing. Advanced, it is 4,500 with them. That's end of day. TakeProfit's end of day. TOPSTEP also removed their trailing end of day. Same with TakeProfitTrader, they also removed their daily loss. So there's a couple of changes that happened. Minimum days to pass is Apex 1 day, TOPSTEP 2 days, TakeProfit still 5 days. With the 50% consistencies, you can't make you can pass in 1 day, 2 days, which is fine. The other 3 days you still need to do some couple of trades or just flip it. And then TRADEIFY, also they've got this advanced account, this one here, which is the minimum trading days, which is 1, so similar to Apex. And then they have this straight to funded, so the section can actually fall below the line, which is you buy your account straight. You don't have to do a test. You start off with a sim funded account. Right, so I'm gonna just remove my face here, and I'm gonna move on to the next slide, the activation fees. Right, activation fees for Apex, you have a once-off of 260 or a monthly of 85, and then TOPSTEP 149, TakeProfit 130, advanced from TRADEIFY 125, and this one is obviously straight to funded, so that's your fees. Contract the same as the test phase or the evaluation, and then we have the withdrawal rules on Apex. So 5 out of the 8 days needs to be bigger than $50, and you can only withdraw above your, which is your max loss or your trailing loss, which is 5,000 plus 100. So you can withdraw then a maximum of 2,750 for the, well, 5 withdrawals you can basically do. So you can only withdraw after 8 days. And then there's a consistency rule of 30%, which they added. There's a couple of changes here, but just check it out. Link is in the description. And then TOPSTEP, pretty similar as last time, so nothing really changed on that. 5 days of more than $200, and then you can withdraw 50% of your profit. There's no max. After 5 days you can basically withdraw. Right, and then TAKEPROFITTRADER is the activation fees, number of accounts, 5 still, and then withdraw daily above your loss, which is above 4,500. You can withdraw everything above that, and they do take that profit split similar to other companies. There's no max, and you can do with daily withdrawals. So after each day you make, for example, if you end up at 5,000, that 500 is yours, and then the next day you can make another $500, and that is also yours. You can withdraw every single day. With TRADEIFY, they're also very similar to Apex. Twice a month they open their withdrawal period or the payout period. They can withdraw a couple of days. I think it's 3 or 4 or 5 days. You can withdraw. You can put in your request. Also above the max loss or buffer zone, you can start maximum of 2,500, and then next one at 3,000, and it grows slowly. And then that, which is after 10 days approximately, so twice a month you can withdraw that. They have a consistency rule of 35% on this, similar to almost like Apex. And then on this straight to funded, you've got your also the same payout period you need to fall within, and you can do your withdrawals. Consistency rule is 20%, which is very common in this industry with your straight to funded. And yes, that is basically it. All right, so looking at the fees, let's just compare the fees, all in cost and your valuation and stuff. So usually Apex run a 90% discount, then you're gonna pay $30. If it's 80%, and it's twice of that, so $60 for your test or your evaluation period. The first thing you need to pay. TOPSTEP is $149, and Take Profits $180 with that 50% discount they currently run. TRADEIFY's got this also 50% they have on their advanced. You pay $50 to start your evaluation. Straight to funded, that's a bigger fee, as you can see, because you actually end up below the line. With your straight to funded account you can start making some money. So just to look at your what you need, how your trading process is, and you can look at what type of account you prefer. Right, and then moving to the bottom I actually added everything, so that's the all-in cost for you to trade. And looking at that Apex, so you can pay that activation fee of once of $260, then you end up with approximately $290 on your Apex. Or you can pay the first month $115, and then every single month after that you're going to pay $85 additional. Right, so which also is nice, depending how your funds look and how you want to pay that. And then TOPSTEP 300, Take Profit around 300. Advanced on TRADEIFY is 175 because adding that activation fee. And then we have that 455, which is straight to funded. So you look at everything here, because depends what type of rules you want, what type of strategy you follow. Quickly pass, you trade high risk, maybe take an Apex or advanced TRADEIFY, and quickly pass your account and then start trading with your funded accounts. If you already have nice strategy and you know what you do, you can maybe buy a straight to fund it from TRADEIFY. Take Profit Trader, I like their rules. It's very simple. There's nothing behind the scenes happening, so I like it. I like that company. This is currently my favorite, I would say. But depending on your strategy and your trading style, you can have a look at everything in detail in the description below. And yes, so hopefully this helped. Definitely these are my top picks for 2025. I'm very scared nowadays for new companies popping up, so maybe we need a track record for at least a year or so for them to prove themselves and see if this is working or not, especially these straight to funded options for companies like providing these straight to funded accounts. It's a different business model, so in the end I know some companies might lose some money on that straight to funded. They're trying to push for the evaluation fees or like the straight activation fees and stuff. That's where they make their money with most traders. So yeah, this business model still needs to prove itself, but TRADEIFY has been around for a couple of months, and so they are actually doing quite well. So alright guys, that is it from my side. All the best with your trading. If you have any questions, put it in the comments below or join the Discord group, also in the description, and we can chat about it. And especially there's a lot of companies out there nowadays, so this list can be quite big, but this is my favorites. Though especially like if you want to stick with the OGs, go for TOPSTEP, and yes, you know what you get. Alright guys, all the best. Cheers.